Today we are preparing a dish called fish and vegetable soup. Fish and vegetable soup. And these are the ingredients. This is fish fillet cut into pieces, already seasoned with ginger, white pepper, and cooking wine. It's already seasoned with ginger, white pepper, and cooking wine. And that's the fish fillet.
Now I put this inside here.
Put them in a bowl.
I put a little salt also. Like this.
And these are the other ingredients. Now this is sour vegetable, comes in a packet, usually available in Chinese groceries or Chinese supermarkets.
Tofu.
And then we have tofu, otherwise. And then we have, what is this water?
Chicken.
Then we have chicken broth and piece of ginger and cornstarch powder, then striped ginger and egg into the bowl of fish fillet. Sour vegetable cut into pieces, soybean sprouts available in supermarkets, cut spring onion, striped 2 to 3 ginger, tablespoons of cornstarch into the fish bowl and mix it thoroughly.
Fish meat, just a fish.
Fish fillet.
Yeah.
And what is the reason for adding this starch into this?
Make it soft.
The
Smooth, soft.
cornstarch makes the fish softer and smoother,
Yeah.
and also it gives some stickiness to fish so that it will all cohesive. Now the bean curd, or we call tofu, cut into pieces like this. Put a saucepan on the stove and add a little bit of water, about 1 liter of water, and sprinkle some salt into that. Add about 1 tablespoon of vinegar into the boiling water. The reason for adding vinegar as well as boiling water is to remove the smell and the stickiness of tofu. When the water is boiling, add cut tofu into that. That's the boiling tofu in the saucepan. Put little water into a bowl, add bit of salt, saucepan on the stove, and add little cooking oil into that, about 2 to 3 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. Then ginger and the
And
garlic.
add cut pieces of ginger, few cloves of garlic,
Spring onion.
followed by spring onions, and mix. Then add cut sour vegetable pieces and mix it. Boil some water,
What's the boiling water?
add
And I put
soybean sprouts into another pan. After 5 minutes of boiling,
yeah.
take out the tofu and put into the bowl of water.
Remove the put again doing like this because remove the tofu some smells.
This removes the foul smell comes from tofu and make them unsticky. Otherwise it sticks together. Mix vegetables so that it doesn't stick together into the saucepan and avoid burning. Add boiling water into the saucepan. About 1 liter of boiling water was added there. Now add
Fish.
already seasoned
Fish.
fish fillet pieces into the saucepan of boiling vegetables. Now the boiling dish looks like this. Now add tofu into the bowl, into the pan with soybean sprouts. Add chicken broth. Take out
Fish.
vegetables and other fish by a strainer and take out ingredients from the boiling water and add into the pan with tofu and add the remaining water from the boiling saucepan into the other pan. Now cover the saucepan.
Yeah.
Keep it boiling. After 15 minutes of boiling, it looks
Like this.
like this.
See, white color. See?
The fish fillet has become white, and you can add little bit of lemon. After about 20-25 minutes, finally grind some white pepper, fresh white pepper grind, and sprinkle cut spring onions into the bowl.
And put some like ginger. No.
Also add few stripes of
Ginger just remove the
Ginger.
fish smelling. Huh?
Yeah.
Give some good taste, smell.
Yeah. Ginger makes it smell nicer and tastier.
If you like, you can put this sesame oil. I
Yeah.
don't like it.
Add a bit of sesame oil
You want?
if you prefer the taste of it.
I don't like.